What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So with the uprising gas price, unfortunately we cannot do anything about it. The only thing we can do is to make our car more fuel efficient. So in this video I have 7 tips for you to make your car more fuel efficient. So now let's get started. So tip number 1, proper tire pressure. You gotta have proper tire pressure on your tire, otherwise there's gonna be a rolling resistance on the tire that your engine have to drag every time you drive your car. So to check the correct tire pressure, just check the pillar on your driver's side door. There's gonna be a spec there how much tire pressure you need on your car. Just inflate it to the proper tire pressure and you're gonna be okay. So number 2, you have to remove unnecessary loads on your trunk because you have to make your car as light as possible. So the unnecessary loads makes your car heavier. So the heavier the car, the more power you need from the engine to drive your car. So number 3, you have to remove your two-lay cargo box or bicycle rack because this creates wind resistance on your car. So when you have wind resistance, it creates drags on your car and this consumes more fuel. So number 4, use the proper weight of oil in your car because if you put a heavier weight of oil, it's going to create drag on your engine. There's going to be more friction inside your engine that creates drag. So this engine is going to have a hard time to turn. This consumes more fuel. So far, if you're liking the tips on this video, please give this video a like. And also subscribe if you like car DIY, mods, product reviews and tips. So now moving on. So number 5, dirty air filter. So if you have dirty air filter in your car, you have to replace your air filter or vacuum the air filter to make sure it's clean so it doesn't clog up your engine from the air, because when you have a clogged air filter, it takes more gas for your engine to make power. So number 6, turn up your AC. If you don't need the AC, just turn it off. Even if you have AC automatic climate control, just turn it off because sometimes the AC kicks in, and when it kicks in, it engages to the engine and creates drag on the engine, and that consumes more fuel. So number 7, you have to drive conservatively. Don't drive like a race car driver because sudden acceleration and sudden braking consumes more fuel on the car. So guys, just follow these 7 tips and you'll have better gas mileage on your car. So I'll see you in the next video.